multiple payment gateways. Previously, if you wanted to offer different payment methods like PayPal and Stripe, you often had to build separate forms or set up some other workarounds. Now there's a much cleaner approach, a dedicated payment gateway block that lets users choose how they want to pay right in the form. So first, in the form settings, I switch gateways to manual and enable both PayPal and Stripe checkout with Show on Frontend. Before that, of course, your site needs to be connected to these services, meaning you've added your PayPal and Stripe credentials. I'm not going deep into that here, since we already have separate tutorials covering the full setup. Once manual mode is selected, you'll see a prompt to add payment gateways block, so I just insert it into the form. In this example, I'm using a hotel booking form. The total price is calculated inside the form, and that value is passed to both payment gateways based on their settings. On the front end, the flow is simple. The user fills in the booking details, sees the total, chooses either PayPal or Stripe, and submits the form. And depending on that choice, they're redirected to the selected payment service to complete the payment. So instead of splitting your logic across multiple forms, everything is handled in one place, much cleaner both for you and for the user. Now let's move on to a smaller but very practical addition, the phone field. Before this, phone numbers were usually just regular text or number fields. So here I'm building a simple contact form and just adding the phone field as the block.